Hi guys, today we'll be playing Roblox again. We're playing Bee Swarm Simulator. Yeah, as you can see I'm really good. No, I'm not. The reason why I'm good is I've made a video obviously on it mostly, and I've been playing for a while. I'm not the worst, I have to admit. I'm not. Oh no. Today we'll be just doing a video, I guess. It won't be the best video. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe also, or all your skins from Fortnite, yeah, they'll be gone. So, don't risk it. Like it. Just trying to what's it? I'm trying to get rid of the sprout so I can get it. Doing pretty good so far. Like I said, don't bully me. I'm not the worst at this game. But I've already got 7 million honey, and I started with 500k like an hour ago. That's pretty good. Hello, sparkles, sparkles, sparkle, sparkle time. Oh my god, the sparkles are so OP. Dude, the sparkles. I love these sparkles. Sparkles. Got a moon charm. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Oh, I've almost destroyed the sprout as well. Oh, I need this first of all to complete my thingy. 9. Yes. Not yet though. Oh, they came over here. Thanks. Okay, this sprout is going down. I'm telling you now. 22. Oh, we did it. That was easy. Oh my god, look at all these rewards. I have the power to go fast. Whew. They're cool. Woo. I'm making the good stuff. Get over in the bag. That's cool. Oh, Samba. Zombie. Ooh. I need... Can I get some stingers? I need... That's sad. Oh, we're gonna try and get a new okay. Ooh. No way. 10 stingers for 100. Is that it? You're joking. No, I don't want 10 stingers for 100 tickets. Bruh. Oh God. Right, let's go. Oh my God, I suck. Please don't lag out. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I'm dead. I am dead. Already though. Can't be dead already. That scared me. I was like, it's already here. They just jump right on me. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm dead. I am dead. I want to regain health, but at the same time I wanna... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yes. Thanks. Delete. Oh no. At least it's fire ants because they don't attack you. Right in the fire. More. More ants. Okay. Always jump before they come. In case one comes on me. Oh no, wait, now we got the lawnmower. Top. Middle. No, 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 no. Oh, good. Middle. Okay. Oh no, that did a lot of damage. Oh no, I'm gonna die. It's going way fast. Oh my God. Almost hit that. shoot. Oh. I'm good at this. It's not coming. Bro, I'm dead. Yep, I told you. How did I do so good last time? Bro. How many ants did I get? What's the highest? I haven't checked the highest in a lot of time. In a long time, sorry. High score 54. 395. Really? Okay. SD Mittens obviously got a big one. This kind of want to end this video. Oh yeah, I got to end this video. Oh, she joined. She's so annoying. Bye guys. See you in the next video. See ya. Wait. I won't. See ya. Wait. Is that okay? You know, just asking. Of it. Does she even get all mean? Of it. This. Okay, I'm just gonna let her. See ya. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye.